If you would like to view your statements in digital banking, you must first give Heritage Grove consent to do so. Log in to your Heritage Grove online banking account using your computer or mobile device. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Loans widget located on the toolbar. From the drop-down, choose eConsent and eStatements. To receive your statements electronically, you must first read and accept the electronic consent terms and conditions. Once the electronic consent terms and conditions have been reviewed, you may click on the I agree checkbox. The account level will automatically toggle to the on position to accept eStatements. If you have a Visa loan, you may choose to enroll the loan in eStatements by simply clicking on the toggle under the loan to the on position. Once you have completed making your changes, click Save. You will then be shown a confirmation screen with a list of accounts chosen to be enrolled in eStatements. If you do not wish to eConsent and receive your statements electronically, you may click on I do not wish to eConsent and select Save. You are then presented with a confirmation screen displaying your account number showing that you have declined eConsent. All future statements will be delivered in paper form and sent to the address on file. If you have previously opted in to receive eStatements and would now like to receive your statements by mail or have any further questions, please contact us for assistance at 503-588-0211.